In this video, you will learn how to add the List-Eez widget to your Arreya presentation. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click on the Content menu at the top of the page and then click on List-Eez. Click the green New List button to create a new list, or if you have an existing list, you can click Edit to update it. In the Edit List window, enter a name for the list and a description. List-Eez requires an Excel file for the list data. You can find example Excel files in the knowledge base on our website. Click the green Choose File button to open the file picker. Click the blue Choose File button in the file picker window or drag your Excel file onto the window. Once the file is uploaded, click Save to process the list. Now that you have a list created, you can add it to your presentation. In the Manager, click the Content menu at the top of the page, then click on Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click List-Eez. The top section shows a preview of how List-Eez will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. Select your list from the drop-down. You can also click the purple icon to edit your list, or the green plus icon to create a new list. List-Eez has several ways to format the data. First, Table View allows for raw presentation of the data. The formatting is minimal, allowing you to style the view using the widget style settings. Donor List View is for displaying lists of donor names, ranging from a single page to thousands of donors. It automatically creates navigation and columns of names. The donor list options also includes page transitions, which allow you to choose an animated transition that shows when navigating between pages. Interactive Data Table creates an interactive view for your data. On a touchscreen, this allows the user to sort, filter, search, and page through data. This can be used on a kiosk display to present a data set that is too large for one screen, or that requires filtering, sorting, and searching. All List-Eez formats have the following additional settings. The Max Items option limits the number of items displayed at one time. The Title option shows the list title in the widget header. The Description option shows the list description in the widget header. The Header option skips the first row of data in the Excel list, which is normally used as a header to describe the columns. The Use Date option allows you to only show items on the current day, week, month, or year if a date column is present in the Excel list. This feature can be used for menu boards, announcements, birthday lists, events lists, and more. When you are finished with the settings, click on the OK button to add the List-Eez widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the Style settings. In the Style settings, you have options for the color, fonts, transparency, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to a page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings dialog. If you need additional List-Eez widgets, you can add more from the Widgets dialog and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click on the green Push Live button to update your presentation.